Nakikita kaya yan dyan sa ano?
Nakikita ba ako? I'll show you how the photographer shoot. Today is another day. It's a blessed day. Today is the day that I'm deciding to be only a backpacker. I don't want to stay at home, maybe. What I got is my bag. That's my old one. Both are the same. But here is much spacious. The camera, a notebook, a pen, sunglasses, power bank with short and shirts and laptop. I explore all over Qatar, so I don't need the room for now. What I have is only a bag. I carry all the essentials only. Vlogging mic, earphone, and I'm not sure if I really need this to carry on me every time. This is so heavy. So see you on my journey, guys. Samahan niyo ako, mamamasyal tayo sa Doha, Qatar. All over Qatar. All over Qatar. Iikutin natin. Well, I'm doing that with a purpose. I'll find ways. And also there's a one vlogger contacted me yesterday. I bumped him. I'm gonna show it to you. This also, kita niyo ba? You see this? See that message? He's also a vlogger. Not really vlogger, like he wanted to do vlog. He's from Philippines and he wanted to start his channel. So he just sent me a message a while ago. I did not reply yet because I'm packing my things. And then there's other guy from I bumped yesterday. He's from India and he's also a vlogger, and he wanna collaborate with me. He wanna work with me to do a vlog. So I said okay, let's meet today somewhere out there in Doha. You know what the good thing? What's the good things happen is like. I'm not a big YouTuber like Casey Neistat, Peter McKinnon, but I admire those people in terms of filmmaking, their courage, dedication, and creative. So I admire Peter McKinnon and Casey Neistat. I am not be like them. Maybe I'm not be like them. Even though also I'm not imitating them, because what Casey Neistat, Peter McKinnon is Peter McKinnon. The way they communicate, the way they deliver story, it is far different because they're American. They using their native language. So that's beyond. It's really far different. But I admire their creation. I really love to watch their video whenever they're uploading it to the YouTube. I always watch them. I always watch their videos. Just my intention is just to create the good vibes, to spread energy, to get energy from different people, from the nature. That's only my intention, by the way. And also my mission is to reach my family back there in my country, because it's been a while I never see them. So just through this video, maybe they'll see me, what I'm gonna do, and also what the lifestyle I have now. It's kind of weird, but because I'm on this situation, but I love it. I love it. I enjoy a lot for what I do. Maybe the work is not for me, because no matter how hard I try to be an employee, but it's not gonna happen. So maybe the God gave me a purpose on life, and that's what I'm figuring out. It's not about chasing a dream, but I always on the path, I always on track to my dream. So what I have to do is to deal any obstacle along the way on a daily basis. So I'll have to be more productive in terms of my work as a filmmaker, videographer. I'll have to be more confident. I'm kind of weird, right? But I love it. Okay guys, see you in a while. Stay tuned. Yo, what's going on? Noah is here. I hope you guys having a good time, because it's weekend now, and time check, it's almost 1 AM and I'm going to meet Zahir. I was about to meet him a while ago, but he was on gig. But I saw the guy now. I saw the dude. The dude is coming. See that? Yo!
Hi!
Where have
Finally.
you been, bro?
Hey, what's up, yo?
Yo, what's up, man? He brought something for me. That's how I special to Zahir. See that? But Noor is upset.
Yeah, I just sent a message.
Hey, what you told him? Always be a gentleman. Wala, tutulungan ko sana kayo.
Try this, brother.
Guys, I am still awake at this time. You know what time is it? It's 5 o'clock in the morning. We're heading for a photo shoot today, as usual, with the gang. You see them? I sleep over with Zahir, but I can't sleep, so I just watch YouTube. Guys, time check, it's 6:30. We are here since 5:30, and as usual, it's Filipino time. even know where we are now, but let's have fun. Guys, check where we are. Currently we are here in Misfir Cave. We're doing a fun shoot here. Rule number 1 before you get in: read the signboards. Rule number 2: respect the nature. And that's the sinkhole. I don't know yet what's inside, but let's go in. This is the sinkhole or Misfir Cave looks like. This is not a man-made, this is natural, by the way. Most of the shooters and models came to visit here to do a photo shoot, sometimes prenup shoot, fashion, lifestyle. Dude, I'm gonna go down there and I leave this little guy and I'm bringing this guy. Come on guys, let's go down there. Sobrang mabato siya. Guys, I'm vlogging. I'm shooting behind the scene. Also, I shoot the model. Rule number 3: when you are in cave, leave nothing but footprint. Do you know what I mean? Don't leave your fucking trust. Respect the environment. I don't know why these people leaving their trust here. This is not a dump site, dude. Why these people doesn't care the environment? You see, there's a lot of garbage here. It's not about I don't like photography, but I just don't have interest to learn photography. I know basic photography, the adjustment of white balance, ISO, shutter speed, and f-stop, but I'm not gonna practice photography because I love videography than photography. I remember during the college days when I was in university, we have a mountaineer club. That's Tribong Mindanao Mountaineer Club. I'm not sure if that mountaineering club is still alive until now. It's similar to Apo Sandawa. So I climbed before in Mount Apo, maybe twice during the college days. Because I love nature, I'm an adventurous person. I always outdoor. Sure, more sun. If this could be developed, maybe wall climbing is good here. Hey, I'm in a lower ground of sinkhole. There's a hole under there. I'm not sure if there's a way, but it's just a small tiny hole. I'm gonna go back there. I'm vlogging. Guys, this is adventure. It's kind of, I'm wall climbing. Look at this family over there. They're having fun. Oh my god! These guys are busy. I'm also being busy doing my business. It's like I'm climbing to the mountain. Conqueror fear. I'm tired, dude. You see my weight on my forehead? I wanna pee, bro. may ano, may dagat. Oh.
Our cave shoot here successfully. It's a Misfir Cave. Almost we spent since 6:30 here. The time is 11, almost 11. So we got a good photos here. Now we are going to Dukhan. So let's go after Dukhan.
See Dukhan.
Let's go Dukhan.
Let's go to Dukhan!
No, you know, there is something different about you and some other people that I've met. You know, the kind of way you do your stuff. You know, last time I wasn't even sure that you recorded me, you know. I was coming out of the car, then I saw, boom, someone popping up. I was like, what? And I was so surprised after a few days, then I saw you tagging me and you're like, guys, please watch out for the behind the scenes for the last shoot. And it's like, oh, what? You're so active. I like the way you do your thing. Keep it up. I know you're gonna be a great man in this world. The good thing is that you're doing something that you really love, and I'm inspired by you. I'm also, that's why I wake up with you 5 in the morning and we have to be out for a shoot. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So really, it's a blessing to meet you, and you're a big brother to me. Thank you.
I love this guy. I love those kind of people around me. I don't want negative in my life, so I always choose positive people around me so I could embrace a good vibes from them.
While you are driving, what for
Oh my god, guys! I'm glad to be here again. It's been a while, 3 years the last time I visit Dukhan. Come on guys, let's make a fun here in Dukhan. Oh my god.